Hi viewers, welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafo. Sometimes in very crowded places, it might be impossible to share a secret. If you find yourself in such a situation and you have to tell a friend a secret, you'll ask the person to come closer so as to whisper something secret to them. Dress near in Nigerian Pidgin English means to come closer or move closer or make room for something or someone. For example, dress near, I won't tell you something. Dress near, make person sit down. And that's it for word and expression for this week. See you in my next video. Bye for now.